Hi guys, good day, and today I'm gonna show you how to convert your defective or damaged tripod into something usable. And the most possible project you could make is the one they called now as monopod. Well, this this tripod is already damaged. There is no more a base for the camera on it, so I will use it as a monopod. Now I will use one of this because that is what I just need, and the materials which I had collected from the people who thrown it away as a useless thing. I will make it useful for this project. This is a pipe holder which I found it suitable for the project, and this is a lamp holder uh, for night lamps, I think, and screw and plastic tube here. So I had prepared the material, and I already had make preparation on it. Now I just going to show you how I had made my monopod. So this tube holder had been already cut into a precise for this bolt so that it will swivel, and this is the guide so that this plastic will not have too much stress when tightening, right? So this is the plastic tube which is fine. I found out which quite suitable for the job, and I had inserted a metal tubing on it just to support it so that when I press it will not break. Okay, so I will now assemble, and by the way, this is the handle which it came from nowhere. Also, I just found it from the garbage, so I will try to assemble it now, and I will show you how useful it is when you are when you know how to collect garbage from your neighbor which you found useful, because some people just throw it away, uh, uninterested of course. So right, so this is being screwed by an aluminum screw here. Okay, so that's fine now, and now I will attach the fabricated parts which I made. So this is a washer, a nylon washer. So I will assemble it now here. Okay, washer first, and a guard so that there will be no too much stress on the uh, base. This screw bolt actually has no wing nut on it. I just fabricated this and pin on it just to see on the project. Right now, this is the one that will lock this uh, tube here, so it need to be also installed. This is also fabricated. This is a drawer handle which I attach a bolt on it, which is corresponding to the thread under. This is the tightener for the okay, so it's attached now. Now I will insert this okay. Tighten it. Now that's tightened. It's tightened against this tube here. Okay. Now this is how it works. Now this is now a monopod which is now being introduced for holding a camera when you are in a distance, and you are when you're getting a group and you want to include yourself, and so this is a self picture taking within the group. So this is adjustable and it can be tightened. See that? And this can be tightened by this locker here for so now again this is adjustable on the angle of the camera, so you can just loosen this screw here. Just a minute, make it short. Okay, this is by loosening this nut, this is adjustable for the angle of the camera, which okay, so the camera is attached from this side here and being tightened by this, and it is adjustable in length. See that? And this is the locker. See that? So this is almost 1 meter and 30 centimeter, 1.3 centimeter, I suppose. And this is quite very comfortable in holding a camera. So that is what you can do for a broken tripod if you got, and if you have a little imagination on how to convert some of the useful materials which you can find around, you can make this monopod project. Okay, thanks folks for watching, and good day.